Hi, I'm Hayes Murray with Remax Boone Realty, and today we're at Kathy Glen, 4941 West Kathy Glen, and we're going to see exactly how many staircases this house has located in it. All right, so we're through the front door. We've got the living room here. Staircase number one, coming on down here, heading on down for the basement. Oop. Staircase number two, coming on down from the laundry room. Surprise, staircase number three, coming up from the garage. And it's a 3-car garage, by the way, too, if you're wondering. Lots of space on out here. And we're back in the living room, and guess what? We have staircase number 4. Going on up, actually leading out, overlooking the living room area. And that's a whole lot of stairs. Anyway, great looking house. And I think beyond the 4 staircase aspect, the most important thing on this house is really the acreage. The view is absolutely amazing. You can't find right now in Columbia, Missouri, another house with that view, that lake, for $525,000. Good luck. It's not there. Look at the $700,000, look at the $800,000 level. Maybe even try the $1 million level. It's going to be comparable. 5 acres, woods, lake, cul-de-sac location, great schools, a lot of aesthetic work on this house. There's no doubt about that. But if you are looking for a house with just an unbeatable view, unbeatable location, Harpers Point subdivision down in Columbia, check it out. Anyway, name's Hayes Murray, Remax Boone Realty. I appreciate you coming through for the tour. Have a wonderful day wherever you are. Thank you.